Okay, so what I was saying is that, well, there's two wires I tap into the starter. Okay, let me see the light shining there. Okay, see that two wires? There's a small wire coming off the big wire, and I cut open that one and tap into that one. Don't take it off that small wire, because it will never put them back. I had like 2 hours trying to put them back. So what you're gonna do is, before it goes in, you're gonna tap into it, cut open, and this side you're gonna tap into this copper color thread that comes out of the car. Okay, then you're gonna run the wire all the way through the up to the engine. Okay, and what do you do? Give me a second. Okay, this is what you do. Come out here. Okay, see the wire? This is 2 heads. Just touch those 2 heads together and car will start right away. Okay, let me see this. I will show you how it starts with no problems. You gotta put it on the key, make sure the lights go on, then you just tap these wires together like this. That's it.